For home printing, download and use the format A4 PDF pattern. Follow the steps for the printer settings to ensure that you print your pattern on the correct scale. Choose your printer, portrait, all pages. You can choose color or black and white. Print on one side. Click on More settings. Choose the paper size. In countries that use A4, you click on A4. In countries that use letter size, you need to click on letter size 8.5 inch by 11 inch or 22 by 28 centimeter. Click on actual size and make sure that it is set on 100%. Then click on print and type the pattern sheets as indicated in the document.